A woman's body is a sacred cradle of creation, which mostly focus on physical as well as the mental and spiritual health.
It's my honor to introduce Dr. Aishwarya from Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat, who is deeply passionate about women's health. Hi, Doctor.
Namaste. As Anu has introduced, myself Dr. Aishwarya, the Chief Physician working at Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat. We also at Vajra, we focus more about women's health. That's why we have different types of treatments for different conditions of women's.
Yes, ma'am. We need to talk about women's health.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what are the commonly seen health issues that women was facing?
Nowadays, we can see in this present scenario, women are facing with different types of hormonal imbalance issue, PCOS condition, polycystic ovarian syndrome condition, fibroids are there, endometriosis condition, and moreover, condition of infertility, which is also increasing nowadays. And this all is related with women's physical and mental health.
Yes. Ma'am, do you Ayurveda have a specific treatments for these all kind of conditions?
Yes, Ayurveda really focuses with different types of treatments for each condition, each specific condition. We have different types, even with introducing with Panchakarma therapies, we add on Panchakarma therapy along with external treatments, internal medications. If you take with the case of PCOS condition, even though it has a lifestyle modification, it's a lifestyle disease too nowadays. So we'll be telling, we'll educate the patient more about the lifestyle modification. And also we do, while you're here in Vajra, we have a plan of external treatments, we give internal medication, and also we inculcate yoga with the different types of meditation and yoga asanas, how to improve their lifestyle and also to change their physiological level. So we have specific treatment for specific conditions in Ayurveda, which focuses on the women's health.
How does Ayurveda approach women's physical and mental health?
Yeah, it is true that we should need mental as well as physical health to for a well-being,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So Ayurveda has some kinds of treatments which focuses on the physical problems, and as we know, most of the women's problems will be dealt with hormonal issues.
Yes.
So there is lot of mental health which has been totally relating with the different types of conditions in women's health. Okay, so in that way, like we have different modalities of treatments like Nasyam, Shirodhara, and especially a Kerala special treatments are there like Talapodichil, which are done for specific conditions of hormonal imbalance issue and also for the mental well-being of the women. And as I told you, here we inculcate yoga. So to a certain extent, along with Ayurveda treatments, even if you take an Abhyanga, which is called as a massage in Ayurveda, even if you take an Abhyanga also, it helps to improve the blood circulation. It also gives an detoxification and some rejuvenation treatment.
Okay.
So each and every day you will have different types of treatments. Along with that, you will be inculcating meditation of yoga. So there will be a very good calmness of the mind, where the women will be able to control their mood swings, okay, and like hot flushes conditions, especially which has been mainly the women get these kinds of symptoms during the menopause, called as like postmenopausal syndrome or premenopausal syndrome. So there also we'll be focusing on these kinds of treatments, external treatment, and we have some very good herbal medication. Like even single drugs are there like Shatavari, Ashwagandha, and like Chandraprabha tablets. These are, you have to take all these under a strict guidance of the physician. But these all will help the women to have their mental stability as well as the physical stability.
Oh, okay, ma'am. And do Vajra has specific treatment for these kind of problems?
Yeah, Vajra has women's packages where we concentrate on these kinds of problems like PCOS condition, because we I told you, we do the services over here with Ayurveda, yoga, everything. So together, and also dietary modification. Initially, we were telling about the lifestyle modifications, right? Because most of the diseases are now into lifestyle modification. And especially in women's, due to this hormonal issue, they are putting on weight. Okay, so weight loss treatment with hormonal balance, such kind of packages are there. And also like specific packages for hormonal imbalance issue, packages for the women's mental health, mainly because out of stress level, in the present scenario, more stress according to their job, from their home. So everything that also will help them. And towards the last of their living, while they are living from at Vajra, we do give them a proper lifestyle modification, how they have to follow with their the routines, the diet routines. We'll tell them like how to maintain with the stress level, everything. So that is the specificity at Vajra, how we are dealing with the different kinds of women's issue.
Okay. Thank you, doctor, for this knowledge about women's health.
Thank you, Anu. And I wish all the women all over the globe a healthy and happy life ahead. And if you have any queries further, you can visit our website www.vajraayurretreat.com. And for any queries or any kinds of packages, you can put forward the email and contact us in WhatsApp number. Thank you.